Chartered accountants in the Federal Capital Territory have emphasized the need for good governance in the management and deployment of the country's resources. They made this known on the sidelines of the emergence of a new leadership for the Institute of Chartered Accountants in Abuja. Lara Afolayan reports.
One of Nigeria's efforts at curbing corruption in the deployment of public resources and ensuring transparency in government payments is the Treasury Single Account. Though the development has helped the country save, chartered accountants feel the process could be better if accountants are allowed to operate the way they should.
We want to make sure there's accountability. The only problem Nigeria have is lack of accountability. We want to make sure that there's accountability for every revenue that comes into the government and what they are being spent for. We want to make sure that value comes back to the society and which will radiate back to our currency.
If we are transparent and accountable in things we do, say whatever we have will be enough for us. But a situation where very few people will corner what we have and nobody is transparent, nobody is accountable, things will not go down well.
If members of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria are engaged, I'm sure that some of the things that we hear that are happening will not happen.
They also advised the country's accountants to be professional in all their doings, regardless of the overwhelming challenges.
First of all, is that accountants should be given independence. You don't muzzle them. You don't begin to tell them what to do. They know what to do. Accountants will always stand for what is right.
An accountant will never give a wrong advice either to the boss or whoever. So we can't enforce anything more than that. And that's why you're finding problems wherever we give our advice, people don't tend to follow it. So that's why we have issues.
This is coming against the backdrop of the emergence of a new leadership for ICAN in Abuja. The new executives now take the reins of leadership in managing the affairs of the accounting body in the FCT. They pledge to hit the ground running amid high expectations.
We are going to emphasize ethics in our professionalism. We are going to emphasize value creation. We are going to emphasize creation of goodwill. We are going to emphasize unity.
We want them to show every Nigerian that they are the professional to be dependable upon. We want them to be seen and heard, and in whatever they do, they have to be transparent.
The Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria is an accounting body with a mission of producing chartered accountants while regulating and enhancing ethical standards as well as technical competence in the profession in line with public interest. Lara Afolayan, TVC News, Abuja.